All right. I will give some time at the ending to ask the questions if you guys have anything. Okay. Before starting up this session, I just want to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have 13 years of IT experience. In this 13 years of experience, I've been working for SQL Server, MSPA, Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, and Microsoft Fabric, and all those things. I have nearly 7+ years of IT trainings and placement programs we conducted. I started these e-classes in 2016. You can see my website. This is my website. And also you can see our office also. We are located in Hyderabad location. This is our office premises where you can find and you can able to come and sit in our offices. And there I'm available always for assisting you. Then after you can see for making more flexible for every student, we have a LMS portal as well. Because to join the live sessions, daily class recordings, daily class notes, and we are sharing out some free test, free courses. And if you want to chat with me personally, you can able to log into our LMS portal and you can chat with me. Or if you are enrolling for a course, we are going to create a group for you. You can able to chat in that group as well. Okay. So we have like a, let's take it any other institutions. There is XYZ institute. Daily they are going to conduct 1 hour session. But after 1 hour session of the class, the trainer is not available for you to ask any questions and doubts because there the management is different, trainer is different. But in our E classes, I'm the managing director, I'm the trainer, I'm the mentor for everything. So you can reach out me anytime in through phone or chat, or you can reach out directly also. I'm always available in my office from morning to evening. See, there is a this LMS portal, the chart option. You can able to access either from your web or from the mobile app also. We are giving for every student LMS portal access with a free of cost. So you no need to pay anything. So you can directly chat with me. You can able to do it. So for login to this LMS portal, simply you can goes to our eclasses.com. So this is my eclasses.com. Please come to this eclasses.com over here, and inside you can see there is a LMS login. Let me share this link in the chart over here. I'm requesting all of you enroll for this LMS portal free of cost. You don't need to pay anything over here. And when you are going to log into this LMS portal, click LMS login. It will ask to provide organization code. What is the organization code? You have to enter the organization code SUFKN. If anybody wants to register now, right away you can able to register. Then you can register with your mobile number if you are from India. If you are from out of India, you can register with a email. So once you are registering, inside you can find a chat. You can directly chat with me, and there are some free courses also available. You can able to access those free courses as well from the LMS portal. If you want to download mobile app, this is for goes to, if it is a Android phone, then simply you can goes to Play Store, App Store, type ECLASESS. If it is a iOS, you can type My Institute. Then you can able to get the mobile, I mean the mobile app. Okay, so this is all about like the flexibility, comfort, and the services what we are offering to every student when they are enrolling for the courses from E classes. This is completely free of cost, the LMS portal access. Now coming to the people who are going to learn any courses in our e-classes is dedicated to mainly three type of courses. One is about like a data engineering courses, another one is about a data analysis course, and the next one is about the data science course. Data engineering, data analysis, and data science. So what kind of background people mostly they were coming to learn our courses, data engineering or data analysis or data science is mostly the people who are long back passed out their education, their graduation, and so far they were working in Java. 9 years of experience we have so far. In this 9 years of experience, they were working for a different technology, but now they want to move to Microsoft Fabric course. Inside this Microsoft Fabric course, once they are learning, they are upskilling. After that, they are going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience jobs only. They were not applying like a freshers. This is one kind of category of the people. The second category is about 2015 passed out, non-IT jobs. They are working like a recruiter, HR, civil, mechanical, or Google Maps or accounts. Okay, so 2015 passed out, non-IT people means after their graduation completion they were joining to non-IT. Then they were working like this kind of jobs. Now they want to upskill and they want to enter into IT after learning the Microsoft Fabric. Obviously, these kind of people also going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience. Then the next kind of people, 2015 passed out, long back, and they don't have any experience, IT or non-IT. They were simply their time was wasted because of the preparing for the government exams, groups, banks, business, career gap they have. So total 9 years of experience, 9 years of career gap they have. Of course, it might be 3 years, 2 years, or 1 year also. Now they want to come to IT, they want to learn Fabric. So 2 to 5 years of experience positions only they will apply. Correct? Some people like it 2023-24 passed out, and then they are going to try and fresher jobs and data engineering. This Fabric. Okay, let's understand what is a Fabric first. Then only you can decide whether you want to learn the Fabric or not. So what is this Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is a software as a service. Software as a service means Microsoft company offering some softwares, Microsoft company offering some softwares in cloud web browser. You can access you can access this web browser. Can I open that web browser? app.powerbi.com. So this is the web browser you are going to use to access the softwares and services. There you can see login with this email address. Once you are logged into this email address, see here, this is the window. Here you can able to see what are all the services Microsoft Fabric is offering. Microsoft Fabric is offering Power BI, Data Factory, and Data Activator, Real-Time Intelligence, Synapse Data Engineering, Data Science, Data Warehousing, many things it is offering. So whichever the service you needed, simply click on that and you can create and you can use for the survey for your project purpose. Okay, let's try to understand what exactly this Microsoft Fabric and how it is going to help for the every student. What exactly Microsoft Fabric, how it is going to help. So Microsoft Fabric is a offering softwares in cloud web browser you can access to implement a projects related to data engineering, data analysis, data science. So far in IT industry, there is no such platform in a single place to perform data engineering part, data analysis part, data science part. Let's try to understand what is data engineering. Data engineering is going to be processing of the business data. For example, I have a supermarket. In supermarket, we have a billing counters. Customer will come to your billing counters. He will make the transaction. The transactions data will be saved in the backend database. So this is how it will happen in different locations. USA supermarket, India supermarket. Now, as a data engineer, what is your role? Your role is going to be processing, means doing the ETL process, extraction, transformation, loading of the data, and storing into cloud environment. Okay, So a data engineer is going to processing the data by using some ETL tools and storing in the cloud environment. So data engineer role is processing of the business data, processing of the business data by using ETL services and storing into a cloud environment. Next, whatever the data engineer processed and saved inside, what we can do, a data analyst. Data analyst means he is the data analyst. This data analyst is going to be designing of the reports and dashboards. Okay, data analyst, what he will do, the data processed and saved by data engineer by taking that data, designing designing of the reports and dashboards. He's going to designing some reports and dashboards. What a data scientist will do, he's going to do some kind of a machine learning models. That means advanced data preparation and modeling, advanced like a predictions, data segmentations, machine learning kind of things a data scientist is going to do. So earlier days, before this Microsoft Fabric is coming to the picture, for data engineering purpose, we are using Microsoft Azure data engineering course. For data analysis purpose, we are using Power BI. For data science purpose, Microsoft Machine Learning Studio. These are the three different platforms we are using to perform the data engineering, data analysis, data science. Now, Microsoft, what it has done, whatever these three different platforms we have for doing data analysis, this is Azure, this is Power BI, this is Machine Learning Studio. Data engineering, data analysis, data science, Azure data engineering course. Azure data engineering course. For data analysis purpose, Power BI course. Data science purpose, Machine Learning Studio. Now what the Microsoft is doing, this is Machine Learning Studio. I'm sorry. Machine Machine Learning Studio. So these three different platforms earlier we were using. All these three also cloud only. This is another cloud, this is another cloud, this is another cloud. Client has to purchase three different platforms and we are going to connect from this platform to this platform, this platform to this platform. Now, Microsoft has simplified and combined all these three platforms into one single platform, that is Microsoft Fabric. So what exactly this Microsoft Fabric contains? One is about data engineering, data analysis, data science. Microsoft Fabric contains data engineering, data analysis, and data science. So whatever the capabilities you have in Azure data engineering course, all those capabilities they are keeping in Microsoft Fabric. Whatever the Power BI capabilities they are keeping into Microsoft Fabric, whatever the machine learning studio capabilities they have, everything they are keeping into Microsoft Fabric. So now they are suggesting to the clients, instead of using Azure data engineering, instead of using Power BI, instead of using data science machine learning studio, simply use the Microsoft Fabric to implement your project. It is a one platform to implement all these three, and they were simplifying this data engineering, data analysis, data science, everything, and making inside the Microsoft Fabric. Got it? So how to log into the Microsoft Fabric? So this is the Microsoft Fabric environment, app.powerbi.com only. Okay, many people were getting a question over here. If I'm learning Microsoft Fabric was into the picture from last 2 years only. If I'm learning Microsoft Fabric, how many years of experience I can present to the customer in my resume? Right, your point is valid. Microsoft Fabric is from last 2 years only. But inside the Microsoft Fabric, whichever the Power BI, okay, the Power BI and Azure Data Engineering Data Factory, whatever the capabilities are in the market from last 7 8 years. Those are in the already market from last 7 8 years. That means you can showcase your profile. First 3 years, first 3 years I work for data engineering or a Power BI. From last 2 years or 1 year, I'm working the same concepts in the Microsoft Fabric environment. Okay, if I'm learning Microsoft Fabric, do I need to learn separately Azure Data Engineering and Power BI? No. Some people wants to learn only Power BI course. Those people, if you are learning Microsoft Fabric, is that Power BI course and whatever the Power BI we are going to cover inside the Microsoft Fabric, both are same. 100% it is same. Whatever the Power BI course you are learning separately from other institutions, the same Power BI course we are going to cover in the Microsoft Fabric also. Okay, now do I need to learn Microsoft Fabric or Power BI? If Microsoft Fabric, why? Why? Because if you are learning only Power BI course, now you will not get the job, because market is saturated and companies are expecting complete combo of the things. Okay, I'm going to join XYZ Institute to learn the Power BI. If you are going to learn the Power BI, they are going to teach you the Microsoft Fabric inside only Power BI. You got it? But if you are learning only Power BI, how much chance you have to get the job? Best chances. You need to learn completely data engineering part, data analysis part, data science part. Okay, so Power BI course 100 percentage we are going to cover everything, whatever every institution is covering inside the Microsoft Fabric. Now coming to the data engineering. If I am learning Microsoft Fabric, do I need to learn Azure data engineering course separately? 90 percentage of the Azure data engineering course will be covered inside the Microsoft Fabric. 90 percentage. 100 percentage Power BI, 90 percentage Azure data engineering. What is the 10 percentage difference? 10 percentage difference means, see here, this is a Azure portal. Inside the user interface is different. This is a Microsoft Fabric portal. Here it is different. So just like a user interface is different. So to I'm going to take 1 week workshop separately for the people who wants to learn this Azure data engineering course also. whoever learning already Fabric course, how this Azure data engineering is different for the Microsoft Fabric. Then if you are taking this 1 week workshop, then you are able to apply for the positions. After completion of this Microsoft Fabric course, you can apply for Microsoft Azure data engineering job. You can apply as a Power BI developer. You can apply as a Microsoft Fabric. The more chances for every student, whenever you are going to learn a latest technology in the market, whichever is the best and latest technology coming in the market, if you are learning that, you will 100% will be placed. What I have observed nowadays, many companies, whatever the projects they already developed on the Azure data engineering course, they are migrating to the Microsoft Fabric, because this Microsoft Fabric is very easy to learn the courses, development the projects, easy to maintain, so many things we can able to do easily, and one platform where you can have Power BI, data analysis, data factory. So the same data factory you can able to see in your Azure also. See, this is the data factory. So here you have a copy data activity, and you are able to drag and drop the things. Same concept here also you can able to create a data factory over here. So let me try to build up. See here, let me try to create one data factory solution. Hello. So here also you can able to simply drag and drop the things. Okay. Here also you can able to drag and drop. Let me try to open one data factory pipeline whichever we develop here. Data factory. See, did you find any difference here? See here also I'm just using the copy data activities. Just user interface different. Here you are going to the activities. You can able to see the copy data activity. Add to the canvas. See, here it is coming. But in Microsoft Azure Data Engineering, you are drag and drop like this. Same, logically same, but user interface here it is different. Here it is different. So if you are learning everything inside this Azure Microsoft Fabric, then just 1 week workshop what we are conducting, the options where you can find similar kind of options what you are finding in the Fabric, the same thing I am going to discuss in the workshop. So with this experience, you can apply for many positions over here. So this Microsoft Fabric course, I am going to teach you 60 hours duration. In the 60 hours duration, live sessions we are going to take Monday to Friday, and daily 1 hour session we are going to conduct, and also we are going to have a interview questions and one end-to-end project and resume preparation. All those things we are going to offer to you on this one. So my strong recommendation for the people, it's going to be revolution in the market. With these many three skills in one platform, there is no such solution. Every client is liking this one because of this cost also very less, and making of many things, data engineering, data analysis, and data science, everything in one place. So I'm going to teach you in this course everything from scratch onwards. What exactly, like uh, what are all the data we are going to storages inside this Microsoft Fabric, what are all the different kind of storages we have, and what are the data ingestion tools, ETL tools we have, machine learning studios, how to create a data modeling, how to design the reports, and all those things we are going to discuss it over here. And as a part of this storage purpose, there are three different kind of storages we are going to cover: lake house, data warehouse, KQL database. And a data ingestion process for ETL, we are going to discuss data factory, data flows, Spark, real time streaming data, data science, data modeling, how to design the reports by using Power BI. So what are the prerequisites, and any kind of programming are we going to write down inside this one? So you are not going to write any programming. So what are the basic things you needed for this course? You need some basic SQL, basic Python, and basic DAX. All these three things we are going to teach you in this session. Okay, but you are not going to write down even single command. You are not going to write down, I'm promising, even single command you are not going to write down. There is a co-pilot integrated automatically. According to your requirement, automatically it will write the SQL commands, Python and DAX, whatever you needed. Whatever you needed, automatically it will write down the SQL queries over here. Can I show you one how to write down the SQL queries inside this one? Goes to this workspace. Let me goes to the e-classes warehouse. Go inside this e-classes warehouse. If you want to write down any SQL, if you are good, you can write down the commands. If you don't know the SQL, then what you can do, simply drag and drop the things to write down the SQL. See, SQL visual query. New SQL visual query means you are going to write, just drag and drop the things over here. Sorry. Simply goes to this menu, click on this one, uh, insert into canvas. Yes, the table is coming. Now do you want to apply any kind of filtering on this data? You can able to apply. I want to apply a filtering only Illinois IA and IL data only I need. Okay, so this is how you can able to write down the SQL query. See, view the SQL. See, it has written automatically. Did I write this SQL query? Nothing. So this is how we are not going to write down even single statement inside this one. Even single statement we are not going to write down. This is the beauty of Microsoft Fabric. So I can say Microsoft Fabric is a zero coding technology. It's going to be a zero coding technology. This is 60 hours duration. We are going to start the sessions from Monday onwards. I'm requesting all of you, please fill this form and you will get a call from our team. What is the timings, pricing, everything. We are going to conduct three free sessions on Monday. Three free sessions. So I'm requesting all of you, you can attend for this three free sessions. Then you can decide. Okay. If you guys have any questions, then you can. And also, I'm requesting all of you, please follow my YouTube channel as well. This is my YouTube channel. You will get more understanding about this Fabric, Microsoft Fabric beginners, and Microsoft Fabric tutorials, and many things. Whether you need to learn Microsoft Fabric or not, why? Many videos I have done over here. I'm sharing this one also. So please subscribe my channel to get the videos daily. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions, then you can able to raise your hand and you can ask the questions. Any questions? Go ahead. Any questions from anyone? Okay. So some people wants to learn Power BI. Okay. Yes. As a part of this course, we are covering Power BI also. So better you can take this complete Fabric course. Okay. If you want, if you already learn Azure Data Engineering course, then we can discuss in offline how you can learn Power BI. So as a part of this one, you can join this course as well. It will be covered Power BI also. Any more questions?
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, already I'm working on Power BI as a data analyst in a
Okay.
company.
Mhm.
So I need only about Microsoft Fabric and ADF.
Okay. Yes. So only that part you can able to enroll it over here.
Okay. So actually, that we are maintaining a MySQL database.
Mhm.
That data I need to import to the cloud, and I will get the data from cloud Power BI desktop. Can I get it, sir?
Yes, yes, 100%. So is this Microsoft Fabric projects are started in your project? So one more time I'm telling guys, few people are in confusion. Some people wants to learn Power BI. Some people wants to learn Azure data engineering. Okay, for Power BI people, sir, do I need to learn Power BI or do I need to learn Microsoft Fabric? I will recommend to learn Microsoft Fabric because inside the Microsoft Fabric, 100% Power BI will be covered. Coming to the Azure data engineering, sir, do I need to learn Azure data engineering or Microsoft Fabric? If you are learning Microsoft Fabric, 90% of Azure data engineering course will be covered because in future everything the Azure data engineering is going to be moved into Microsoft Fabric. So the 90% of Azure data engineering course we are covered here. The remaining 10 percentage, the remaining 10 percentage, I will take a workshop on the Azure data engineering. That will cover the remaining 10%. So if you are learning Microsoft Fabric, you can apply for Azure data engineering course, you can apply for the Microsoft Fabric course. Then you can decide which one you want to go.
So, sir, I had a small doubt. Actually, I was working with Power BI. So, my example was, where we are been working with, data flows, like deeper part in Power BI. So, considering that, coming to the Azure data engineering as well as machine learning studio, how deep you will be driving us to into that?
Azure data engineering, definitely we are going to deep dive like the data factory and the notebook Spark. We are going to completely going into advanced level.
Okay. And I actually as you already told that no coding skills is required, but the question is also right. Even don't have, like, I was completely zero in the coding part. So can I strongly move further to get into Fabric?
100%
Or else
now.
even after completion of this course, like even in the going further, like after five, if I spend like up in the next coming 5 years, do coding will be really required to learn, or I can manageable by the Fabric itself?
See, coding you are not going to write on your hands on going forward.
Okay.
Of course, now also because of this chat GPT or whatever the co-pilot, these artificial intelligence tools, are automating of your
Yes.
coding. But you should know what do you want. If you know the basics of this coding, then according to that your chat GPT will give you the coding. You no
Okay.
need
So
of
the basic part will be covered in this Fabric course, is it?
advanced also I'm going to cover.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm going to teach you how you are going to generate the code from the chat GPT and Copilot also. You will be a master after
Okay.
completion of this course, no doubt. You can write any kind of
Then that
code.
really helps.
Yeah, I'm going to give you the tips and tricks, no problem.
Okay.
The most automated, first automated job in future is whoever is developing the code. There is a lot of threat for those people. Any more questions from others?
Any placement assistance for this course?
Definitely. So we were going to assist on the placement assistance as well. If you guys are in Hyderabad, so please reach out to me personally. We can discuss about